Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and it's nice to meet you. And today we are going to be doing this silver glitter eyes. I don't know how to name this, but I named it, so that's what the title is, okay? And yeah, keep on watching to see how I do this and to get pretty with me. Now I'm just taking that Plouise base and just shaping my eyebrows with it and cleaning up any hairs that really need plucked out but you just get me annoyed. The Lick and Lash palette, it is the 35D palette, and yes, this one is broke. Yeah, so I'm using this colour and this colour. And I'm also using another Lick and Lash palette, the Mesmerize, Mermix or something, Mermix? Okay. I actually called this Mesmerize on another video, so that's not good. Yeah. And it is gonna be between these two. I'm taking the navy colour and just going in to the outer crease with that and just patting it on. And then gently bringing up the edges. And taking that grey colour and just gently going round the edges of the navy. Now on to concealer. Now I'm cutting the crease, the hard bit. Didn't catch any of that on camera, did I? I was like so close and concentrating on this mirror here that I don't even think I recorded me doing that cut crease, but it's done. Yeah, basically I'll just pat that on, pretend I'm doing this, but I already done it. Yeah. Taking the navy again and just patting it on and blending it in as we just done. I'm going to go over the whole lid with the grey, the light grey, just so then whenever we're putting on our glitter it will have a bit of a background to it. I really like glitter. And yeah, I'm going in with the silver one. And then whenever you have got all the light silver on, I'm just going to take the darker sort of glitter and just blend it in to that navy. The Scandalous Eyes, which I have been loving. So I'm not going to do winged liner, I'm just going to pull it up though at like an angle instead. And yeah, going to blend that in to the navy whenever we get to it. First just doing my outline, then taking a Zoeva smudger brush, which is a 226, and going into the black, which is in the 35D palette, and just smudging that in to the navy. Right, so taking that Loreal True Match and just going all around my face and just beating the rest of my face. Do 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 do. Brushes keep on blending, eyebrows keep on slaying. Yeah, we're blending, we're blending, we're blending our foundation. Keep up, do 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 do. This is literally how I entertain myself while doing my makeup. And I'm looking orange. But whenever I look oily or not matte, then I feel like I look orange as hell. Don't judge. Right, so I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, that light colour under my eyes just to brighten it up a wee bit. And patting it in. I am just using a foundation brush. Couldn't even tell you the brand, like I've had it years. In the RCMA no colour powder. So just pat that all round where I've just done. Is the Freedom ProMelts lip gloss in neutral bronzer. I'm using this actually as contour as I normally do, and just patting that on and blending it up. So Mummy actually bought me new makeup to test out, to try out. It's literally called Make Me Up. Simple. And I may as well just try it in this video. It is a blusher and bronzer. Strange. I actually kind of like this blusher. It's nice, you know. I wonder what the bronzer's like. Just really try that bronzer whenever I don't have bronzer already on. But yeah, that blusher was really quite nice actually. I might try that in another few videos and just see how it looks, because I like a nice sort of splash of colour. Nothing too much over the top, but nothing where you're like, did you even put blusher on? You know, it's just like a nice little colour. This one, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm just gonna pat that on and blend it. Pat it on, blend. Pat it and blend it. Pat and blend. Okay, so that is me done today for this look. And if you have enjoyed this video, then please go down and subscribe. It would be nice. And you'll see this face more often. I do upload 2 to 3 times a week. 2 to 3 times a week. Shit, I just got some of my lip gloss on me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!